Baddha Konasana is a word derived from Sanskrit which is made up of two words in which the first word, Baddha, means limit, and the second word, Kona, means angle or division. This is also called the bound angle pose in English. It is a great pose for stretching the inner thighs and hips, while also opening up the groin and lower back. As you hold the pose, breathe deeply and focus on relaxing your entire body. You can also practice rocking back and forth, or rotating your hips in a circular motion to deepen the stretch. This pose is great for anyone looking to improve flexibility in their hips and legs, and is especially helpful for those who spend a lot of time sitting or standing. Some people also call it butterfly pose because while doing this asana, the open hips are joined with the legs and the legs are up and down, which looks like the wings of a butterfly. Although it is a very simple asana, it has many benefits. Precautions while doing bound angle pose. Although bound angle pose can be practiced by people of all ages and is safe for all, there are some circumstances that you should avoid practicing it or practice it only under the supervision of a trainer. 1. If you have injured your knee, then it is better not to practice this asana. 2. Apart from this, during the problem of sciatica, you should practice it by sitting on a pillow or a soft cushion. 3. If there is an injury in the hip, then this asana should not be done. 4. Women should not do this asana during menstruation. 5. If there is pain in the hip or knee, then this asana should be practiced only after consulting a doctor. 6. People suffering from groin injury should not do this. 7. Don't force it too much. You can practice the following yoga asanas before bound angle pose: Virasana, Prasarita Padottanasana and Yana Shirshasana. After the practice of bound angle pose, practice the following asanas: Ardha Matsyendrasana, Gomukhasana, Marichyasana and Padmasana. How to do bound angle pose. Make sure your spine is straight. First sit with the support of Dandasana. Then inhale, bend your left leg towards you. After that, turn your right leg towards you as well. Join the claws of both the feet and join the fingers. Now hold both the claws and pull them towards you as much as possible. Stay in this posture up to 20 to 30 seconds. After enough practice, increase the time to 2, 3 and 5 minutes. Benefits of doing bound angle pose. 1. Stimulates the abdominal organs, ovaries and prostate gland, bladder and kidneys. 2. Stimulates the heart and improves blood circulation. 3. Stretches the thighs, groin and knees. 4. Helps relieve symptoms of mild depression, anxiety and fatigue. 5. Helps in relieving menstrual discomfort and symptoms of menopause. 6. Clinically helps in flat feet, high blood pressure, infertility and asthma. 7. Continuous practice of this mudra for a long period of time during pregnancy helps in making the childbirth easier. 8. Helps in curing infertility in women by improving reproductive health. 9. Bound angle pose keeps your prostate gland healthy. 10. It stimulates your bladder, kidneys and all the organs of the stomach. 11. Bound angle pose helps in curing your high blood pressure.
You can get amazing and wonderful benefits from the yoga, so definitely make to yoga a part of your daily life. Always be happy, keep smiling. I pray to the God that you progress progressively in every field of your life. Write in the comment where are you from, and what you want to know about the next video of yoga. Subscribe, if you are new to the channel, and like and share the video too.